Welcome to Law and Justice at the University of Oklahoma. I'm your professor, Kyle Harper, and it's my privilege to be your guide on this tour of the great ideas. This is a class about law, about the history of law, about the actual experiences of human societies that have sought to live in a just political order. And it's a course about justice, about the philosophy of justice, the idea of justice, about the way that different societies have conceived of what it is that makes a law, a legal system, a political and constitutional order a just one. It's a course that covers the whole sweep of Western history. We begin with the Greeks and the origins of political thought in Western culture. We explore the culture of the Romans and their experience in building a republic and then an empire built on the great system of Roman law. Then we consider the rise of religious movements, especially Christianity, and consider the ways that its values would forever transform the way societies would think about law and justice. We cover the modern world, the age of enlightenment, the age of reason, and the way that the philosophies of enlightenment changed the way that people thought about the nature of justice. And we end with the age of markets, the triumphs of market capitalism, the age of industrial revolution, and the social transformations that it wrought in its wake. And we explore the ways that new forms of society raised new questions about law and justice that nevertheless called upon the resources of an ancient tradition to answer these new questions. It's a course about history, and it's a course about philosophy. It's a course about the history of the great ideas. And it's a course in which we will learn by doing, in which together we will develop our faculty of critical reason by asking what it is that we think makes a law or a political order just, by looking at problems, both real and imaginary, that human societies have faced, that philosophers have evoked, to help us hone our reasoning, to identify what it is that we truly think makes a law just. And in this exploration, we hope to come to a deeper understanding, both of the ways that human societies have conceived of justice, but also of our own values and our own assumptions. It's a course in which we will work together, arguing respectfully, questioning each other, pushing each other to a deeper understanding of what it is that we believe makes up law and justice. Thank you for being a part of this course. I look forward to our intellectual journey together.